is going to be lifting the MTN FA Cup, this is not going to be the first time he's doing it. And I'm sure certainly it won't be the last. Coach Zito, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
You promised me a smile at the end of the match.
I told you it will be very difficult.
Yeah.
I predicted all what has happened.
Sure.
But at the end of the day, surely we'll win the cup.
How tough did Golden Kicks make this match for you?
You've seen it. You know, they lose nothing if we beat them. But rather, Kotoko will lose something if we lose this game.
Yeah.
So they don't have any pressure. They're freely and playing. And when you look at the way we are playing, we are a little bit under pressure, trying at all costs to be able to win the cup. So seriously, I came with a little bit of injured players, but there's nothing we can do. But at the end of the day, they stood the test of time.
Yeah.
They were able to match them. Equally, look, they didn't have any serious chances like the way we created. You understand me? But they were able to play the midfield game more than us because of 1 or 2, 3.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, what matters most is who win. So we have won. So okay. I'm okay.
So you carry you are carrying the cup away. You have also received your passport officially to go to Africa. What should we expect from Kotoko between now and when the competition begins?
I think Kotoko has a lot of programs.
Okay.
I think on the 6th we are playing Accra as a folk.
Yes.
And then again we are also to travel to South Africa to play some tournament.
Okay.
So you see how busy we'll be. So all is in preparing for the coming FA Cup.
All right.
So FA champion. So we are going to do our best. Seriously, at least we'll try to join the group
okay.
more than we won't go in the first, but we'll go over the group. Yeah.
Okay.
It's not easy.
All right.
It's not easy.
I'm sure the fans will be looking forward to a very good performance from Kotoko because it's been a long while since you went to Africa.
The job I took wasn't easy. Wasn't easy at all.
Okay.
Because this is a case.
All right.
I don't know them.
Okay.
And gradually, but I'm okay with them.
With them.
The way they responded to my.
Okay.
So I'm happy.
We'll expect a lot from you. Thank you very much, Coach, for talking to us. That was Coach Karim Zito, the proud winner of the MTN FA Cup. Won it the last time around, and he's won it again. Of course, it was with Dreams FC, but today it is with Kumasi Asante Kotoko. They are bouncing back to Africa. What made it difficult for Kotoko, especially towards the dying embers of the game, was the way Golden Kick manipulated the game for them. And Coach told us earlier on before we started the match that it was not going to be an easy game. They have nothing to lose, but they are going to prove a point. Coach, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
You came so close, yet the cup has eluded you. But obviously, you must be elated at the performance of your team today.
Yeah, I'm very overwhelmed and happy about my players' performance. They show their class, they show some character, they show some determination.
Yeah.
Just that it's unfortunate that
things didn't go the way you wanted.
The decision makers make their rule. They put the rule into their hands and make what they think is right. I'm sure that
they were demoralized when that penalty was given. But going into the game, what was the main instruction you gave to them?
To make history.
To make history.
Yeah, we want to make history, and this is what the main aim we brought here. To make history, we have to win the game, and we play according to how we planned. And the boys play amazingly well. Yes, everybody was determined to win the game, and you can see we show our class. We came in, nobody knows our players. They are underdogs. They are weak. We came to face the giants, and at the end, the referee gave them a win, which is okay. We are okay. We are okay for that. We are okay that they didn't score us, but referee made sure he gave the win to them. This is a silver platter.
All right. Your performance in the lower division, that's Division 1, culminated or has culminated in the success that you have chalked today. You've gone all the way to the MTN FA Cup final. What does this mean for the team? How will this motivate yourself and your team, especially playing in Division 1?
Yeah, it's a big motivation. It's extremely. West cannot explain these things. You know, it's a lifetime opportunity to reach the MTN FA Cup final. Who knows whether we will get there or not? But yes, as far as we are doing the work, we will definitely aim to get there again.
Okay.
You know, that's how we work. Yes, and our testament of clearly shows that yes, we work hard to get here, and the performance we put up, the same thing we put up in the Division 1 league. We play good football. That's our identity.
Okay.
We don't kick the ball anyhow. We make sure we keep the ball. We build up from defense, and we make sure we frustrate our opponent from finding their rhythm. And these are the things that help us to excel. Yeah.
I see. All right. So it's done and dusted, the MTN FA Cup. Obviously, you also have to map up a strategy to finish well in the Premiership. But again, we'll be looking forward to seeing a lot more of golden kicks. Because, Coach, I can tell you, the crowd you saw here today, 90% of them were supporting golden kicks. You play some very good football, and you've got some very good individual players as well. So there's a lot to look forward to from your team, Golden Kicks. Wouldn't you say that?
Yeah. I know the supporters. You know, all the supporters, they want good football, regardless the club they support.
Exactly.
Immediately you started exhibiting good performance, they will give you up.
Yeah.
Yes, that's it. And even the penalty the referee took, you saw from the
reaction
crowd.
was clear.
Exactly. So they want good football, and that's what we came here to do. We came here to entertain them and play good football. So the future is bright for us. We will make sure we'll go back, work again, and find our way here again. I need a title, you know.
You need the title, I know. Maybe God says this is not the year. Maybe your year is coming. But thank you very much. You put up a performance.
I won't say God said. No, God didn't say
God didn't say that.
Yeah, referee decided that he's not in my year.
All right, Coach. All right, Coach. I know it's painful, but thank you very much and congratulations for putting up such a performance. Thank you very much.
All right.
So Coach believes that they did their best. They did well. And like I was telling him, many of the fans who came to watch the game were applauding Golden Kicks throughout the game. It's just sad and unfortunate that they had to succumb to a penalty kick